We should begin with what precisely Nano and its highlights are. Nano is a computerized installment convention that is intended to be lightweight and open. The attention is on eliminating the shortcomings present in other digital currencies. The point is to bring nano crypto into individuals' regular routines. Nano cryptographic money, market feeling. Nano is an improved on Bitcoin, it might be said, with an emphasis on basic blocks that empowers quick exchanges. Fundamentally, Nano stores exchange information in a block development, similar to blockchain-based more modest ventures. It is not difficult to refresh and get it utilizing this while likewise guaranteeing that blockchain usefulness is kept up with at max execution. Nano centers around giving an individual a simpler method for getting to Bitcoin innovation and entering their lives. Accordingly, the emphasis is more on versatility and less on encryption advancements that empower unknown exchanges that are hard to follow. The advancement group needs to make exchanges quicker, guaranteeing that the innovation stays adaptable with less accentuation on security. Along these lines, the probability of the public authority attempting to boycott nano cryptographic money is fundamentally less. It very well may be conceivable that legislatures themselves gain from this innovation and empower a computerized money in their own nations as a substitution for cash, like how the computerized yen was presented in China. Right now, it is challenging to buy nano as it isn't commonly known. However, what makes Nano great is its charge-less installments. We should investigate the conceivable crypto projections and estimates for the Nano esteem from the business specialists. In view of our Nano cost expectation 2022, a drawn-out increment is normal. The Nano cost gauge for 2027 is $12.27. With a 5-year speculation, the income is supposed to be around plus 403.03%. The ongoing cost of nano cryptographic money is exchanging above $2.41. According to our nano cost figure, the coin could raise a ruckus around town value level of $2.99 and the greatest value level of $3.39. The typical value level of nano for the ongoing year may be around $3.18 according to our nano cost expectation. The nano cost is gauged to break the typical value level of $2.73 by the start of December 2022. The normal most extreme cost is $3.42. The base cost is $2.32. Nano cost has been showing a rising propensity, and it very well may be a decent portfolio expansion for what's to come. The future cost of Nano is anticipated at $5.13 after the ongoing year, as per our Nano cost expectation. In December 2022, the cost will be around $4.10, with a greatest value level of $4.92. The base cost of Nano may be at its help levels around $3.44 for December 2022. The typical Nano cost for December 2022 is $4.18. Nano cost gauge toward the finish of December 2022 is $4.10. The value change would be 5%. According to our specialized examination on past value information of Nano, in 2022, the cost of Nano is anticipated to stretch around its obstruction level of $3.08. The Nano cost can arrive at the most exorbitant cost degree of $3.62 with a typical cost of $3.20 according to our transient estimate. The Bollinger Groups show that the unpredictability isn't acting insane right now, and the cost graph is by all accounts keeping a decent sideways pattern. Assuming the purchase signal is set off, the holding period ought to likewise consolidate the sideways pattern, and the probability of how postponed the sell sign will be. Because of moderately less action in the Nano, it very well may be hard to precisely foresee where the sell sign ought to be. However long the sell is made over the help level, thus, it is really smart to early sell. We should take a gander at the verifiable information of the Nano coin. We can see that the ongoing cost of Nano is not even close to the highs it had in the primary portion of 2018. These value highs were cosmic, and no measure of silliness ought to have had the option to drop the coin cost. Indeed, there is a justification behind that. Before all else, crypto costs were exchanging at all-time highs, with virtually every variant of Bitcoin and comparable clones at a stunning cost on the lookout. According to the speculation exhortation from the monetary councils, the crypto costs are anticipated to be ill-fated due to the absence of national banks to manage it and having no real worth. This was trailed by tremendous selling and a cost change as short merchants likewise began to dump the virtual monetary forms and sell Nano. Any reasonable person would agree that on the off chance that the coin mirrors an upswing and returns to its untouched high, it would probably continue a pattern that other digital forms of money will likewise continue on the lookout. In the above Nano USD cost diagram, there is a help level between $1.50 to $2, with momentary patterns enduring half a month. One might say that we just have a help level. There is no unmistakable obstruction level. However, if one somehow managed to frame an opposition level, it would be close to $2.63. The typical cost level for the year 2022 is close $3.18 according to the Nano figure, while the ongoing cost is $2.46. For this situation, on the off chance that clients need to carry out specialized investigation for exchanging, they can attempt to go for the gold floods past the help reach and accept their benefit when the spike is noticed, or they can have a go at holding for a considerable length of time and, assuming there is no cost unpredictability, attempt to take their benefits there. The thought is to allow the instability to settle prior to selling the resource. Swing exchanging systems could likewise be carried out subsequent to doing appropriate examination and following the most recent news. Specialized investigation, Nano value forecasts, and market refreshes. Nano value forecasts, 2022 to 2026. Nano value forecasts are challenging to shape since the basic principle investigation isn't possible since it misses the mark on new inclusion. The upsides and downsides are strong. That is, it is exceptionally simple to execute. The exchanges are free with no secret charges. The framework is solid, and the advancement group is as yet buckling down on it. Yet, the disadvantages are additionally there. Like, purchasing Nano is troublesome. Furthermore, the worthiness is non-existent since it isn't quite known external a little circle. This makes it truly challenging to project the Nano coin's future cost expectation. In addition, in the crypto market, anything can occur because of huge unpredictability. Nano value expectation 2022. In light of the positive mechanical development, any reasonable person would agree that it is feasible for the Nano cost to beat market returns till 2026, assuming the Nano cost rise arrives at the highs of 2018. All things considered, the probability of that incident likewise depends on the way that what drives the market for its reception. The cost could reach $3.39 in the year 2022. Nano value forecast 2023. In the year 2023, the greatest cost could stretch around $4.05, least cost at $3.51, and the typical cost at $3.85. All the cost levels mirror the indication of expansion in the cost. Nano value forecast 2024. There is plausible of long-haul acquiring potential by seeing the ongoing cost rise. The cost could arrive at a most extreme degree of $4.65, least degree of $3.25, and the typical degree of $4.04 in the year 2024. Nano value expectation 2025. According to the Nano cost expectation, the cost of Nano could reach $5.69 in the year 2025. In the event that the cost arrives at up to this level, it will be advantageous for speculation purposes. Nano value forecast 2026. In view of the Nano cost expectation, the Nano cost could go down to $4.71 in the year 2026. However, Nano is sensibly protected, open source, and it tends to be utilized any place on the planet. Is Nano dependable? As indicated by our examination and Nano cost expectation, the Nano environment is dependable as it holds bunches of advantages